Welcome to your guide on how to use Zoom when we're in the Silver Online Computing class. You'll arrive in my Zoom meeting and you'll see all of us on the screen. I'm currently in my meeting room on my own, and you can't see anybody else because I'm just using my avatar, which is the Apple, rather than using my video because it's better with the recording of this instruction. So here we will be all meeting and we'll all see each other in the Zoom room. If I ask you to minimize your Zoom room, you will go to the top right-hand corner and you will see the three buttons which we spoke about last week. Minimize, you've got restore down, and then you've got close a window. We're going to do minimize. When we click on that minimize button, you will see we're now at the desktop, which means we can start doing some things together on the desktop, but you'll still be able to hear me with my instructions because over here we've still got Zoom running. Now, if you want to get back to the Zoom room to see us all again, you would just click on your little button here with the little arrow, and that will bring you back into the full room for Zoom. Now, if you find that your bandwidth is not very good at home and you find that we're freezing, you can go down here where the floating toolbar is and you can stop your video, which means you would just get a little avatar like me. I wouldn't be able to see you, but I'd be able to hear everything you were going to say. So you can do that by clicking on this floating toolbar. This toolbar can disappear. Can you see it's disappeared now? If I click on the ALT button on my keyboard, it comes back up again, and that will be the same for you. So there's an ALT button to the left of your space bar, and that means that little toolbar can stay there. So we're now in the Zoom meeting. We're now going to go to our desktop. So I'll say, let's all minimize. We click on the minimize button, and now I can say to you, right, what I'd like you to do now is open Google Chrome. And you can see I've already got Google Chrome open. And then I can be giving you some instructions to let's go to a website and start exploring. And again, these manipulation buttons to minimize, that the left side button on the right hand corner, and when I go down to this taskbar here, you can see that if I hover over, the internet is still open for me. If I move away, it goes down, and if I go over, can you see that's the Zoom room there? And again, to bring that Zoom room out, click on the little arrow, and hopefully that will help with your navigation.